Welcome to the magical classroom. When the sun starts to set, the crayons in the classroom are getting ready to sleep. Do you want to come with me and see who is still awake? Hello, Violet Crayon. In the amazing classroom, the violet crayon is a magical helper. By morning, it's ready again, helping children create enchanted stories. By day, it brings colorful dreams to life. The violet crayon is a tiny hero, making learning fun and full of wonder. At night, it dreams of fantastical worlds and whispers ideas to other crayons. Can you kiss to Violet Crayon and say goodnight? Good night, Violet Crayon. Hi there, Orange Crayon. In the wonderful classroom, the orange crayon is a sunny helper. By morning, it's ready to help children create vibrant art. By day, it colors bright pictures. The orange crayon is a tiny hero, making learning fun and full of warmth. At night, it dreams of warm sunsets and shares ideas with friends. Can you blink slowly to Orange Crayon and whisper goodnight? Good night, Orange Crayon. Look who showed up. Yellow Crayon. In the miraculous classroom, the yellow crayon is a happy helper. By morning, it's ready to help children create cheerful art. By day, it colors bright smiles and sunshine. The yellow crayon is a tiny hero, making learning fun and full of happiness. At night, it dreams of sunny days and shares joyful ideas with friends. Can you say goodnight to Yellow Crayon and wish her sweet dreams? Good night, Yellow Crayon. Hello there, Blue Crayon. In the fantastic classroom, the blue crayon is a calm helper. By morning, it's ready to help children create serene art. By day, it colors peaceful skies and oceans. The blue crayon is a tiny hero, making learning calm and full of wonder. At night, it dreams of magical seas and shares soothing ideas with friends. Can you wave to Blue Crayon and say goodnight? Good night, Blue Crayon. Look what we have here. Brown Crayon. In the fabulous classroom, the brown crayon is a friendly helper. By morning, it's ready to help children create natural art. By day, it colors trees and animals. The brown crayon is a tiny hero, making learning fun and full of nature's magic. At night, it dreams of cozy forests and shares earthy ideas with friends. Can you help the brown crayon settle down and say goodnight? Good night, brown crayon. Greetings, red crayon. In the terrific classroom, the red crayon is a bold helper. By morning, it's ready to help children create vibrant art. By day, it colors bright apples and roses. The red crayon is a tiny hero, making learning fun and full of excitement. At night, it dreams of fiery sunsets and shares energetic ideas with friends. Can you hug the red crayon and say goodnight? Good night, red crayon. Look who we have. Pink crayon. In the brilliant classroom, the pink crayon is a sweet helper. By morning, it's ready to help children create lovely art. By day, it colors fluffy clouds and flowers. The pink crayon is a tiny hero, making learning fun and full of sweetness. At night, it dreams of magical gardens and shares gentle ideas with friends. Can you embrace the pink crayon and say goodnight? Good night, pink crayon. How do you do, green crayon? In the awesome classroom, the green crayon is a lively helper. By morning, it's ready to help children create vibrant art. By day, it colors lush trees and grass. The green crayon is a tiny hero, making learning fun and full of nature's magic. At night, it dreams of enchanted forests and shares fresh ideas with friends. Can you give a smack to green crayon and say goodnight? Good night, green crayon. Look who came, gray crayon. In the enchanting classroom, the gray crayon is a calm helper. By morning, it's ready to help children create harmonious art. By day, it colors clouds and stones. The gray crayon is a tiny hero, making learning calm and full of serenity. At night, it dreams of peaceful skies and shares balanced ideas with friends. Can you sleepily rub your eyes and say goodnight to the gray crayon? Good night, gray crayon. What's up, black crayon? In the fascinating classroom, the black crayon is a mysterious helper. By morning, it's ready to help children create bold art. By day, it colors outlines and shadows. The black crayon is a tiny hero, making learning fun and full of imagination. At night, it dreams of starry skies and shares creative ideas with friends. Can you cuddle the black crayon and say goodnight? Good night, black crayon. As the classroom becomes quiet and the stars twinkle, all the crayons in the classroom have found their cozy spots and are falling asleep. Now it's your turn to close your eyes and dream about all the crayons we met today. Good night, little one. Good night, crayons.